Have you ever prepared a trial balance and it agreed perfectly, yet errors were still discovered later? This tells us one important truth. A balanced trial balance does not always mean correct accounts. Today, we will study types of errors. Errors in financial accounts are mistakes made when recording, classifying, or summarizing. These errors can lead to inaccurate financial reports. They may also occur when accounting principles and methods are wrongly applied. In simple terms, the transaction may be recorded, but not recorded correctly. Errors in accounting are grouped into two main types. First, errors that do not affect the agreement of the trial balance.
Second, errors that affect the agreement of the trial balance. In this lesson, our main focus is on errors that do not affect the trial balance.
An error of omission occurs when a transaction is completely left out of the books of accounts. The transaction is not recorded at all, meaning both the debit and credit entries are missing. Because both sides are omitted, the trial balance will still agree. This error usually happens due to oversight or negligence. For example, an invoice of 5,000 Ghana cedis for office supplies is received but not recorded. As a result, the financial statements become incomplete and inaccurate. The trial balance agrees, but records remain incomplete. An error of commission occurs when the correct amount is recorded, but it is posted to the wrong account of the same class.
This usually affects personal accounts. For example, goods worth 3,000 Ghana cedis but are wrongly posted to Messer's account.
Although the amount is correct, the wrong person's account is used. Same class of account, trial balance agrees. An error of principle occurs when a transaction is recorded in the wrong class of account. The amount is correct, but the accounting principle is violated. This often involves treating capital expenditure as revenue expenditure, or vice versa.
For example, a motor van costing 100,000 Ghana cedis is debited to the purchaser's account instead of the motor van account.
The trial balance still agrees, but profits are misstated. Wrong class of account, capital versus revenue. An accounting principle has been violated.
An error of original entry occurs when a wrong amount is recorded in the subsidiary book and the same wrong amount is posted to both the debit and credit entries.
For example, purchases of 450,000 Ghana cedis are recorded as 105,000 Ghana cedis.
The error affects the accuracy of the accounts. Key points: wrong original amount, same wrong figure, debit equals credit, trial balance agrees.
An error of complete reversal of entry occurs when the correct accounts are used, but each entry is made on the wrong side. Debit entries are recorded as credit, and credit entries are recorded as debit. For example, goods worth 20,000 Ghana cedis bought by check are recorded by crediting the purchaser's account and debiting the bank account. Despite the error, the trial balance still agrees. The accounts are correct, but debits and credits are reversed. The totals still match.
An error of duplication occurs when a transaction is recorded more than once in the books of accounts. Both the debit and credit entries are duplicated, causing the accounts to be overstated. For example, goods worth 2,000 Ghana cedis bought by check are recorded twice. Although the figures are overstated, the trial balance still agrees. Recorded twice. An entry entered twice in error. Overstatement, claiming more than the evidence supports. Trial balance agrees. Debits equal credits. A compensating error occurs when two or more errors cancel each other out. An error on one side is offset by an equal error on the other side.
For example, the sales account is over 500 Ghana cedis and the purchases account is also overcast by 500 Ghana cedis.
Because the errors balance, the trial balance still agrees. The net effect is zero. But remember, financial statements will be inaccurate. Anytime a student writes trial balance will still agree, they must also add, but financial statements will be inaccurate.
Like, share, subscribe. Accounting, Trial Balance, WAEC Accounting, SHS Accounting.